Hi everybody, I am your Prasad. This is last video's practical video. C program to find square root of a given number using square root function. This is the practical of the last theory video. So in your programs you may get programs also. Don't panic, the skeleton will be same. You can see in my previous video, as I told you, this is the old program already there in the compiler. This you can do in the mobile phones also. See, first year students or intermediate 10th students can practice C programs. Don't force your parents to purchase laptops or computers. You can do it in your mobile phones. In Play Store you can compile. You can type a C compiler, you can find so many compilers. You can see my previous videos, practical 2 videos I have posted, 1 minute short videos I have posted for you. Right, this is a practical part. So first line will be comment C program to find SQUARE square root of just square root. You keep just like that. So when you keep this as comment, that will change the color. See, now it has changed the color. Actually the full program title is question C program to find square root of a given number using square root function. Right, this is the comment. Comments are suggested writing in the program. See, /# hashtag, this is called star, and these are the multiple line comments. Okay, now our program starts from here. Hash include include. This is a preprocessor. See, it is in blue color, and less than symbol, angular brackets, stdio .h, standard input output header file. This is called prototype or header file or libraries. It has printf and scanf functions. Print format and scanf means format function. So we need to declare this, and hash include. This is called preprocessor, blue color. Hash include preprocessor. You can see in my previous video structure of C program, components of C program, sections of C program. Conio.h, 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 and this is greater than symbol, angular bracket. See here, co means console, input, o means output, and h is a header, header file, or it may called as prototype also. Right, prototype means prototype also. Okay, yes, co means console input output header file that contains a clear screen and getch function. So we need to mention that. And for square root function we need to add one more header file, so that is called math.h, hash include include math.h. This is one more header file or our prototype or library. This contains square root function. Void main, void means returns nothing, it's a keyword. Main is a main function, it is inbuilt function. I have already shooted video on functions, you can find there what are the function and predefined function, user defined functions. Here we need to mention variables, that will be float, because float. Don't commit spelling mistake, that comes under semantic errors. It data type is float because the root value will be fractional. Float num, which number we want to find root, and the next root formula, and every sentence end with semicolon. Here, so you need to keep this gap so that the code will be good code. CLEAR, clear. CLR SCR is the shortcut for clear screen. And at the end, semicolon. Every statement end with semicolon. Right, there will be good code and executable code. If you maintain this gap, this is called good code. I will show you at the end. Right, very simple. And the clear screen, then printf for entering the value. Printf means print format, and enter, enter number which you want to find the square root. So with the double quote, that become as green, so it's a sentence. Every sentence end with semicolon. Printf function, and for storing that value we need to use scanf. Scanf means scan format. It will be function, input function. It will store the values. Scanf percentage f need to be mentioned because it's a float value, and double quote, comma, ampersand. Ampersand means address. The variable is num, num, and semicolon. Yes, that is value is taken. Now root, the variable root is here. With the cursor I will show you root. Right, root is equal to formula. We use, I told you, square root function. Because of this square root function, we have used the header file math.h, square root math.h, end with semicolon, then printing that function. That's it. Printing the value. Printf, double quote, and here we will mention sqr square root is equal to square root of it. The sentence will be more. Why unnecessary? Square root 2 percentage 0.2f. In the last video I told you it will be round up to 2 fractional decimal point. Actually percentage f means after fractional you will get, after some fractional number you will get 6 digits accurately. 6 digits, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here 0.2 means 2 digits will be rounded up, remaining will be discarded. That's it. So percentage f is equal to same percentage 0.2 f. Right, and double quote, comma, first value num and the second value root. So it is crossed the line. No issues. And wrong from the, we can drag from the beginning. So here this num value will be taken here, and that square root value. Right, at the end, it is at the end. See, and now it has come out. This root value will be here and this num value will be here. Right, very simple. Then at the end, we will mention get ch semicolon, and now curly braces. Curly braces is in another. See, I told you, no, good code and executable code. So this open, this closed curly braces should touch each other. That is a good code. So we need to find out the block of a main in this area. Right, now we will see the output. See, enter a number. If you enter 4, then we get square root 4.00 means I told you, no, 2 digits will be accurately will be getting, and that is equal to 2.00. So I told you, no, root of 4 equal to 2, but we mentioned in the float data type. So 4.00, because of 0.2f, 2 value will be rounded up, is equal to 2.00 is the answer. See here, this is the output, right? So now you can go back to the program, you can see it again. This is the program for last videos practical part. You can do it in your mobile phones, right? All the best for your exam, and if you have any doubts, feel free to call me. This is my mobile number. I will make it bold: 9849181923. 9849181923. You can call me, you can WhatsApp me at any time. If you want any study material or any lab manual, theory related lab manual also I have created, you can WhatsApp me. I will give you information to you. All the best for your future, for your better career.